Guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, I am going to be showing you how to make a classic Jamaican style rice and peas. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Now, if you have been following me, I had made a jerk chicken a little while ago, and I figured this rice will go perfect with that meal, so I decided to make this. It's so super easy and delicious, and it is really such a quick side dish to make, and it's so much flavors going on there you wouldn't believe. If you have never tried it, you got to give it a try. It's delicious, delicious. And when you go to like Caribbean restaurants, this is what they have on the menu. It's so simple, so easy, so much wonderful flavors going on, and I can't wait to show you. So now let's walk over to the really basic ingredients. Let's begin. Right here I have 4 cups of long grain rice that's already been washed and ready to go. Right here I have 1 cup of small red kidney beans that I have soaked overnight in this container in my refrigerator with just 2 cups of water. Alright guys, so right here I have 2 tablespoons of fresh minced garlic. I have 3 tablespoons, which will be equal to 3 stalks of green onions, or scallions is another name for it. And right here I have 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger. And over here I have salt to taste, pimento berries that I had ground up. This is about 1 teaspoon. And then I have 2 teaspoons of dried thyme leaves, or you can use fresh. Right here I have 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. I have here 1 can of coconut milk, and that is all you're going to need, minus some extra water, which I'll let you know how much to put. And that's all you're going to need to get this started. Now let's begin. Alright guys, now let's begin. First things first is we're going to start cooking down our beans. Okay, so remember our beans had 2 cups of water soaking in the refrigerator, and I'm going to add another 2 cups to this. I have my stove on a medium high, and I'm going to allow this to cook down until they become soft and tender, and I'm going to show you how that looks. Alright guys, it's been 1 hour, and my beans had cooked down for about an hour. Now within this 1 hour time, I've been checking it, stirring it, seeing if it needs any more time cooking, and I had to add more water to it, about a good 4 cups more, and it reduced down a lot, as you can see. So in total I have put 6 cups, and you're going to want to do that. You're going to want to check it, add more water if it gets too dry, and see how soft and so now they are. What we're going to do is we're going to put in our seasonings in, which is the ginger, garlic, and the scallions. We're going to let this just saute just for a little bit, and this is going to provide lots of flavor and lots of Caribbean flavor that's very tasty. Okay, then I'm going to put my salt. Then I'm going to put my salt, dried thyme, and pimento seeds that I had ground, and let that also take into effect, so that way the flavors can just marinate and become really, really delicious. And then we're going to put in our coconut milk. 1 can of coconut milk. Now I'm not going to put extra water just yet. I'm going to see how this looks and this reacts, and see if it reduces. And we're going to let this just marinate together, cook down for about 20 minutes before we add the rice. Alright guys, after 20 minutes, you give it a good stir. It looks nice and thick and it smells divine. We're going to put our rice in here. Just like so. After you clean it, remember it's long grain rice. You can use short grain. Some people use part boil. I'm not such a big fan of part boil rice, but you can use whatever you like. Then I have here 2 cups of water. And I'm adding 2 cups more. So it's 4 cups all together. All that water we had in there earlier just simply evaporated. So I don't need to worry about that. I'm going to put my oil. This is to prevent it from getting stuck in the bottom and being nice and alert. The oil is to prevent the rice from being sticky. It's going to be nice and delicious. And it smells insanely good. The color is perfect. Alright, so we're going to cook this down. And this is going to take around 20-25 minutes. I'm going to show you how it looks before I turn it. So you're right. Alright guys, so as you can see, the rice had, the liquid had evaporated. And now we're just going to give it a stir. Oh man, it smells so good in here. I wish you are here to smell this. So good. So give it a stir. While it still has just a teeny tiny bit of liquid, you don't want it completely dry because then your rice will come out hard. So that little bit of wetness is going to help it to moisten it. And what you're going to do is you're going to stir from whatever's in the bottom to the top. And that is how you make really good rice. It doesn't come out dry. And it doesn't come out hard. And it won't be mushy. Alright, so I'm going to lower down my flames to a medium low. Put a lid on. And allow this to steam up and cook. It's going to double its size. It's going to take about 25 minutes. And I'll see you right back to do the taste test, but I'm going to show you. Alright friends, my rice is all done. Look at that deliciousness. It smells insanely good. Look at that color. Oh my god, the aroma is crazy delicious right now. Nice and soft and fluffy. Perfect rice and peas, Jamaican style. So I'm going to serve me a plate and do a little taste test. Alright guys, I am ready for a taste test. Now, keep in mind that I didn't put any kind of spice in this rice. I didn't put no kind of jalapenos or scotch bonnet peppers, but if you want, you could. We are just not a big fan of heat in this house, so I just steered away from it. But you can put as much or as little as you want. It smells so good. The rice is perfectly seasoned, subtle in flavor, so it's not strong and overpowering. And the beans are soft and tender. It really is a delicious, easy go-to recipe. I really do hope you guys give it a try. And this Caribbean style rice and peas, so easy to make, so delicious. Give this a try. I do have a video that I paired this up with, and I made jerk chicken in the oven. Super simple, super easy, and this goes perfectly well together. So thank you so much for joining me. I do hope you give this a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video, and don't forget to click that bell so you can be notified. And in the description box below, I will leave you all my links to my social media sites, and I do hope that you guys would follow me through there as well, and the rest of the recipe is going to be listed down below. So thank you so much. I'll see you again. God bless. Until next time. Bye bye.